Hey, it's Jenna here from SipBiteGo, and I'm so excited because I was totally craving a grilled cheese, and we just got some yummy cheese in. I'm gonna do it the right way, which is to shred your cheese before you hit it up in your griddled grilled cheese, because it's gonna get so nice and melty. And I also have bacon in the house, so why not really make like the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich on the griddle today? Let's do it. All right, so for this grilled cheese, we're gonna start with all the usual suspects. I'm talking cheese. I'm gonna use 2 types of cheese. The more cheese, the better, always, if you've ever watched a video here. I'm gonna use some butter, but because we're using bacon, I love the little crunch in the grilled cheese from the bacon. We're gonna griddle that up, and then there will be some bacon grease on the griddle cooktop, which is gonna add a bunch of flavor. So we're gonna leave it there, add some butter, and then I am kind of a purist that way. I know some people like to put mayo on the top of their grilled cheese. You can do that if you want, but I'm just gonna go for butter today. So let's just whip this up, super easy. You know, adults like it. I have a little kiddo, he loves his grilled cheese as well, so it's definitely a family-friendly griddle recipe. I like to use some just nice soft white bread. If we have like fresh sourdough from a local bakery in the house, I'll use that as well. The cheese combo that I'm going with today is this yummy cheddar. It's actually a smoked cheddar, and you know I love my smoked foods, so gruyere cheese, also very yummy. So you could use any combination you like. The more the merrier, the more flavors that are gonna get in there. But there is something so special about grating it right before you're gonna make your grilled cheese. If you haven't tried it, you really should. Today I'm cooking with the griddle that Traeger sent out. It's called the Traeger Flatrock, and I use it all the time, but I also have a Blackstone. Look at that cheese! It looks so good. So I like to leave most of my food inside while I'm preparing the griddle outside for some cooking, mostly because I live in Texas and the bug situation is out of control. A couple videos ago, I was attacked by some monster like butterfly bat hybrid. I know it's hard to understand, but it was this big black butterfly, and I'm lucky I survived. Obviously, the griddle cooking we do is so tasty. The bugs love to come be with us. Anyways, I'm just gonna head outside with some bacon. Brushing on a little bit of olive oil in a very thin layer where I'm going to put the bacon down. I started with the temperature on medium, which got it going because I don't want it to crisp up too quickly. I was checking out the bacon and did decide that it was moving along a little bit slowly when it was on medium. Although I'm happy I didn't put it on medium-high to start with. I did end up raising the temperature to medium-high just when I felt like it was going fast enough, and it was the only thing that I had on the griddle, so I wasn't too concerned that I would burn it. This bacon like this is perfect to me. It is almost done and ready to put on a paper towel-lined plate. Just blowing in the wind. All right, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna assemble the sandwiches, then we'll pop back out and griddle them up. Fueled by bacon and coffee, obviously. Definitely should make more than the bacon you need because you're gonna want to eat it. Like, that was my bad. All right, to the plate. All right, so now we're gonna knock these sandwiches out. Ba-boom, ba-boom. Going in with a thin layer of cheese on each slice. This is just the bottom layer, so it doesn't have to be thick at all. Just coverage is what we're looking for, and a mixture of the cheese flavors. And then our beautiful bacon, let's give it a nice snap. Oof, is really perfect bacon right here. A little more cheese on each slice, or each sandwich. On goes the top layer. Perfect. Ooh, these look delicious already. All right, grab some butter and let's head back outside. My nails are the color of bacon, and I bet that's not an accident.
You mean butter?
I mean, yes, I mean butter. Shut up. All right. I mean butter. All right, so I'm just gonna push some of the bacon pieces off to the side so it doesn't kind of like dirty up my grilled cheese too much. Not that I really care. But then I'm gonna put down a little bit of butter. There will still be that bacon grease, which is gonna give us so much flavor. It's like bacon inside and outside. So I'm gonna leave it there, but add a little bit of butter so the outside browns up really nicely. I like really nicely, lightly toasted bread, but still like a beautiful crispness to it. So let's do it. Gonna drop it down to medium low. I think this one is helping heat it up quite a bit. There's sandwich 1. Sandwich 2 right in that butter. Butter. Oof. I'm going back and forth, but I'm back up to medium now that we're got the colder food on there, so it'll heat up a bit. Alright, I'm going up to medium high. I might put it back down to medium or medium low depending on how fast they cook. You just want to keep an eye on it. Gonna turn it back down to medium and take a peek. Oh, that's so perfect. Whoa. There we go. Oh, that is so beautiful. Wow.
That's great.
So I'm just letting it roll on medium. I just don't want the outside to get too toasted. I want to give enough time for that cheese to like melt so beautifully into the bacon and the bread and stick it all together, but so far it's perfect. See what the bottom looks like. Whoa, perfectness. All right. Hello, handsome. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow, that looks amazing. Look at that, yummy, yummy, yummy. A little close up. How great is that? Delish. Let's get this other bad boy over here. What's up with cheese, Bill? Because I waited too long, but it still looks yummy. Oh my god, are you serious? Are you serious right now, brah? Brah! I cannot make this shit up.
Describe it to us in one word.
That's my word. Can you do a better cheese pull?
Have to find out.
Step on up, bruh.
Not as good as you.
Ah. Well, yours was after. I got it while it was hot, baby. Hot, baby.